Yan guys, so yesterday I was at an event, no, invited by the Puma Philippines, yung napakagandang mga shoes, no. And I was invited by Miss Honey. She's the HR. Got to connect with the owner also, Mr. T, and also the other founders ng Puma. It's really a good activity. We had about 300 people attending the event, and I was able to meet each one of them. And it was really good activity because tingnan niyo guys, ang dami kong nakuhang very basic nga lang. Wala akong tablet, wala akong iPad or any registration form. I just had my notepad. Then, I was able to secure a lot of meetings, no, for this coming week. So what I did is just wrote it down. My Saturday schedule, availability, mga time blocks, and then other days of the week. And sila na mismo yung pumili ng schedule on the spot. And just have to create a Zoom link for them afterwards. So ang ganda. Really looking forward to meet all these people one by one via Zoom naman for a more detailed discussion of what kind of product or policy they would need and best fit them. And other than that, since it was located in a very prime office space, ang daming mga HR people, also group of companies that I was able to connect with. And there's a lot of potential, no, na I'll be able to service group of companies, no, for their group HMO, for their group life insurance, group accident insurance, or group medical insurance. All in all, it was a good day. It was a good activity. So if you can find something similar like that, if you know something like that, na an event that where we can connect, it's a good activity for us agents, for us insurance people to go to, no? Kasi doon talaga you'll be able to offer the product they would need, no? Kasi yung mga group HMO, group insurance, they renew naman every year. So, later tonight, later this week, marami tayong kakausapin ng mga companies ng group presentations because of that activity. Alright?